If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, greetings people out there in the pen world. For those of you who are interested in the upcoming events, I will be hosting on Larry's Fountain Pen Zoom Hangout. Kirk Spears is 7 p.m. Central Time. And along with him, I'll have Mike Green as well, the custom pen maker, and I'm really glad to have both of them on. So with that said,
And what date is that?
April the 7th at 7 p.m. Central Time. Now this is the only place that you'll be able to find the information. I may also put it in my Facebook groups. I haven't decided yet, but for sure you can always find it on my YouTube. I am trying to cut back on some other groups that I've had in the past, but Facebook stays the same. Zoom stays the same. And then on Saturday, April the 15th, it's going to be the Fountain Pendulum online pen meet, which you don't have to be a member. Come out and hang out if you like, if you have the time. And that's going to be at 6 p.m. Central Time. And then on Sunday, April the 16th, at 11 a.m., Marino is going to be our special guest. And then Tony
Rustisi
is also going to be with us and bringing one of his friends. He and his friend is going to help translate for Nino and communicate to all of you folks out there. And I think this is one that you all have been wanting to know more about, to see and listen to what he has to offer. And also on April the 23rd, which is a Sunday, at 11 a.m. on Larry's Fountain Pen Zoom Hangout, and that's Central Time, 11 a.m., we're going to have the gentleman from Click Fountain Pens from India. Very special guest there as well. And he's going to share information about his journey, about the pens made in India, and it's going to be people's opportunity to ask the gentleman questions about Indian pens, the whys, the cans, the don'ts, whatever, and he will answer your questions. There will be more added from time to time, so I will come on as needed to update my calendar. So if you're not doing nothing, welcome to hang out. With that said, take care.